In this video, we will discuss how to create a multi-column form like this in Form 7. So basically how to create 2 columns, 3 columns, and 4 columns row within a form. So for this, you need these 2 plugins, Form 7 and Ultimate Addon for Form 7. A link of how to install these plugins should pop up on top of this video, or it should be on the description below. Now, first of all, we go to Ultimate Addons and all add-ons. You need to enable the column add-on first. So we enable this one. And now we go and create a form. And we save this. Now, before we move forward, let's publish this form on a page. We paste the shortcode here and publish the page and view the page. So now it's a common normal form. So now let's add our columns. So you click this add column. See here you can see we have this 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column tag. So let's insert the 3 column tag here. So as you can see, we have these code where you need to put your code. So here's some space here. And here's some space here. And we create some space here. And we can leave these 2 row shortcode on different line. Now, because it's a 3 column, so what we can do is like we can put this one into 1 column, and we put this into second, and we put this into 3rd column. Now, well, we can also add another, let's say, 2 column row. So it's the same process. So we make some space. Let's separate the rows. These making space, these are optionals. I'm just doing some house cleaning to make the form look good. So here, now, okay. So now we had this part is 3 column, this part is 2 column. Now let's save. Now let's try to view our form. There you go. We have this 1, 2, 3, 2. But as you can see, there's not enough space on the form. So these are basically coming from the theme spacing issue. But you can control all these spacing issues through our styler add-on, which link of that video should be available on top of this video by now, or it should be on the description. So use the user styler add-on, and you can configure the style of all the forms from that add-on. Thank you so much for your time. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.